National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Grenby County in northeast Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southern Cable County in northeast Illinois, Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 7:15 a.m. At 6:06 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Lake Forest to Medina to Yorkville and moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodridge, Plainfield, and Oak Brook around 6:15 a.m. Minooka, Westmont, Western Springs, and Westchester around 6:20 a.m. Montrose Harbor, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Summit around 6:25 a.m. Wilmington, Diamond, and Braidwood around 6:30 a.m. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway around 66 Raceway, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University. Be structure and stay away from windows until these storms have passed.